Hello my friend. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. Here are example photo before and after using 𝗬𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗃. So, now let's get started. At first open your application Adobe Lightroom Mobile and import your photos in application. Select a picture. Go to the light panel. Exposure to 0.20. And contrast to -56. Highlight to -100. Shadows to 100. Whites to -100. And blacks to 20. Now go to the 𝗁𝗏𝗀𝗃. Follow these steps. And click Done. Now go to the color panel. Temp go to 28. And tint to 12. Vibrance to 30. And saturation to -26. Now go to the Mix tool. First red color. Hue to 10. Saturation to -28. And luminance to 24. Go to orange color. Hue to -6. Saturation to -26. And luminance to 38. Go to yellow color. And just the hue -24. Saturation to -100. And luminance to 32. Go to green color. And just the hue -100. And saturation to -100. Go to aqua color. And just the hue -100. Saturation to -100. Go to blue color. Hue to -10. Saturation to -79. Luminance to 50. Go to purple color. Saturation to -100. Lastly go to magenta color. And just the hue -100. Saturation to -100. And click done. Now go to effect panel. Clarity to 20. 𝗬𝗏𝗃 to 30. Vignette -16. Midpoint 10. Feather 100. Roundness 100. Now go to details. Sharpening to 10. Noise reduction to 30. Detail to 60. Color noise reduction to 30. Detail to 60. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next video.